All right. I got 43,000 some odd pounds of bird feed going from St. Cloud, Minnesota, I think is where I'm at. No, Waite Park, sorry, Minnesota, to Brook Park, Ohio. And I'm guessing, just guessing, I might need a strap. I haven't looked at it yet. So I have no idea how it's loaded. This was one of those places where you don't slide your tandems because they have a concrete dock, and if you slide your tandems, then your trailer will be up too high. So let's see. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab another one just for fun. Ooh, I hear sirens. So I think my tandems are good where I'm at. I got I think like 60 PSI on my drives. So I think I'm okay. Oh, I don't want that one. I think I still have one inside that I haven't wrapped up from my last load. Oh, sorry. I stepped on my step and it made that phone drop. All right, let's try this again. I delivered my last load and this place was only 12 miles away, and trying to get all the paperwork and all my notes done and everything, I haven't had a chance to roll up the strap that I used on the last one. So let's zoom out a little bit. I don't know. Oh, this one's gonna be full of bloopers, huh, guys? I might fall over. Who knows? I'm having a rough day today. I'm struggling with a headache, so very quickly turning into a migraine. So that's not a lot of fun. It's actually no fun at all. I don't want to snug it up too much and tear through that plastic. I'll snug up the bottom one a little bit more. I'm about an inch too short. Oh, just a rough day, y'all. Maybe it's just this one. Oh, this is the really crappy one. Sorry. What the heck is this thing doing? I can't. doesn't like me today. Nothing's bound up. Y'all. That was stupid. Here, how's that? That'll hold, right? Maybe I can get another click on that one. There we go. That ain't going anywhere. Or something like that. Okay. Yep, lots and lots of bird feed. All right. Let's roll.